Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x18 utility trailer. We have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as a bumper pull front hitch, the Breakaway box. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring, as well as D-rings at each corner of your trailer. There are two 35K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims. Coming around to the back portion of our trailer, this trailer does have a dovetail. There is LED brake lights on this trailer, as well as the tires being set on 15-inch wheels and rims. We have diamond plate fenders, as well as a tire mount. Once again, this is a 7x18 Dovetail utility trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.